Hey everyone, welcome back to Lumber Hacks. It's been a year since I made a video and the channel is still growing, so I just want to start this one off by saying thanks for sticking around, thanks for supporting the channel. I'm really thrilled. I am sorry that I have not gotten any videos to you, but today we're going to get right into it and we're going to review the Kobalt 24 Max Jobsite Fan. Alright, we're getting ready to hit summer and my shop is already warming up, as I'm sure yours is too. So let's talk about this fan. No unboxing here. You open the box, it comes right out. It's in a bag, you slide it out, it's all together, done. Comes with an instruction manual. Tool only. Its regular price is $100 at Lowe's, but right now it's $50. So I went ahead and picked two of them up. Tool only, so you have to have the 24 volt battery to use it, or it actually has a spot to plug in a drop cord, extension cord right there, so you don't actually have to run it 24 volt, but it is awesome if you do. It's completely cordless. I already have it turned on. This thing puts out a ton of air. You have a variable speed dial here, and it moves a lot of air. I am super impressed with it. You can change the direction of the fan just by pushing on it, and you can spin it almost all the way around to the other side. It's got a nice firm base with these rubber feet, and it stays put. Some other really cool options though is they included a fence hanger, so you can hang it on chain link or chicken wire or whatever. You also have Nell wall hangers, so you can mount it to a wall if you like. You have places to screw in a tripod to, the big work tripod or a normal tripod right there. If you've got one sturdy enough and you want to use that, that's an option. And they also have stake holes already in it, so if you're doing concrete or something and you've got some rebar sitting around or any type of pipe, you can stab those in the ground and put the fan right on it. Alright, as soon as I put this battery in and turned it on, I was amazed with how powerful it is, and it's going to be awesome to have in the shop and be able to take it outside, sit it underneath on the ground when I'm working on the side-by-side or something like that. So 24 volt max Kobalt Cordless Jobsite Fan. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with some more tool reviews and projects. Thanks again.